Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. I'm with Laptu.
Shadow.
Today we're going to be changing the high beams.
Yeah.
So we change the low beams, go check that out. We change the high beams. Because of the weird design, it's very hard to get a LED one actually. So we've had to opt for the normal ones but with the blue effect. These are 4200K. White is what, 5000. 6000 proper white. 5000 is like a bluey, yellowy white. So these will be a bit white and a bit yellow. So let's see, hopefully works. Oh, what am I doing? So yeah, this is the design. Can you see it's got one pin? You can't get LEDs like that. LED have a positive, negative. This has just one pin. That's how the design of this is. Okay, so 1 second, he's going to take it off. Take the cap off, Labby. So the low beams on the outside, high beams inside. I got it wrong at the start of the video. Said it wrong, Oh, that was quite easy. Was that this part?
Wait, so which one am I taking out? That middle one?
Yep, that big one. The other one's just side light will do that. I think you just pull it or twist it. Pull down it. Straight pull down, didn't it?
Is that how it's supposed to be?
Yeah. Where's the bulb though?
Bulb's inside you?
My man took the he took the correct off, not the bulb. Yeah. No. The correct come off again. Oh, yeah, the bulb moving. Wiggle it or twist it. No, it looks like it's just a pull. You might just have to twist it. Twist it, does it do it? Yeah, just wiggle it. Can you see it's coming out? It's in the pins, can you see? There.
Pretty hard.
Hard? Can you get grip on it though? Oh, you should be able to. It's got the metal prong at the back on it. You want to try?
Wait, it's been held in by something.
Oh yeah, it might have that pin thing on the top. Put it up, down. Might have that locking thing. Can you feel it?
Well, I've got one of them.
I think there's 3.
There's only 2.
2? Yeah, I think there was that. Yeah? Okay, so it's in there somewhere. There it is, okay. So that's the bulb. Got prong at the top holding it, I think. So I'm going to try to take that off. 1 second, guys. Okay, he's going to try to squeeze it and pull it.
That's that one.
I'm pretty sure you just fucking us, try it. Oh wait, that came on it.
No, that's the one that I can get out.
Yeah.
Then why can't I get that one out?
Oh, you can't pinch it.
There you go.
So you pinch and pull it out.
So is this not passive example?
This bastard here, yeah. And it's a 1 pin. It's fucking shit. Look at this. You tried.
So why did they lose?
Who? They came second, man. 1 point behind. Liverpool, amazing. These are the difference. Look at this. One is yellow, one is blue. So you'll have a bit more yellow, white look, hopefully.
Oh shit.
Oh.
I can't remember where they went in terms of slash.
Slash?
Yeah. Do you see how it's got a slash?
Yeah, that slash was up, I'm sure. Yeah. Yeah. You want to pause? Okay.
So this one is literally just
pop it in it. Slides in and then you lock the clamps in place.
Sorry, on your hand.
No worries, you can have a look. So just look in there. There's a flat side in it. You put the flat side to the top, is it?
Yeah.
And then there's the clamps. Can you see the clamps? Shove it up, it should clamp in place. No? It's a silly design though, isn't it? Why can't you just use a fucking normal thing?
Know where it sits.
I can see from here.
Careful, car coming.
Okay. Don't pinch it again, just put it in, it should clip I think.
No, it's not going in. No, you kind of have to pinch it.
Alright, go on then, try it.
Trying to find out where it's supposed to go in.
The bulb is definitely right way, innit?
Yeah, bulb's definitely right way.
Which way does the flat side go? The top or bottom?
Design. One of them's in.
The clamp?
Yeah, I don't know how. Oh, there you go.
Oh, they're both in.
Yeah, both in.
You just have to fucking wiggle it, innit? Wiggle it a bit.
I'll just show you what to do.
Put the connector on. Let's see if they're how much whiter they are. If any, they might just be fully yellow. That's your high beam, innit? That's a silly high beam design, bro.
Is it? Yeah.
That's your high beam, yeah. Right, push it.
That's a nice twist.
Yeah.
Nice.
You're gonna have to pull in.
I'm
going to pull it. I don't think you have to turn your car on, actually.
Might as well, innit?
Leave them on. They're very white, man. You didn't leave them on. Push it. Turn your lights on and push it. No, no. They're very white, Labib. They're very white. They're very white.
What the fuck?
There's barely a difference, bro. Slightly whiter, bro. Anything. Very yellow, innit? What's the point of this? Guys, these are not LEDs, they're shit. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Goodbye.